to create an automotive parts and accessories e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. Just give it a few seconds guys to load. It's still loading, and here you are. After typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name for this store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that, you have here a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. So I'm going with this one, and you do the same with this other question. Then you choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about automotive parts and accessories. So let's see if I can find something related to that niche in this list. So let's see, here we have tools and parts. I think I'm going to use tools and parts, and if you can't find your category in here, you just click on other, then you click on continue. Then if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. And here we are. This is the dashboard after building our store, as you can see. And here we have the edit site button and also the design now button, as you can see. But first, I'm going to explain these sections for you. Then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's get started by website, and here we have overview first. As you can see, this is the overview. Then we have website, and it's where you can also proceed to the editing phase, or you can set your domains, set your domain name, or change the name that you already have. Then we have the items. Then we have the items section, and it's basically the products. Items means products, and here you have sites items if you want to set new products or delete the ones that you already have, and here if you want to categorize them. And then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. So that's it for this section. Then we have orders. It's where you can see all of your orders, change them, see the cancelled one, the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, and it's where you can set up your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then let's close this section. Then we have the reports section, and it's basically where you can see all of the reports in your store, from the site's traffic, site's activity, sources, online sales, sites items, abandoned carts, and coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on the summary here, and you can see all of these reports summed up in this section. Then we have the marketing section, and by its name you will have everything related to growing your audience, from the email, the automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want to see also the summary of all these sections, you can just click on the summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and also abandoned carts. Then last but not least, we have settings. It's where you have the general settings. If you want to set up your company name or your email, your phone number. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here you are. If you want to set your company name, your address, your email, and the phone number. Then we have the checkout. It's where you can set up your payment processors like your Stripe account, your PayPal, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the language and also set up or edit your units. So that's it for these sections. Let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the overview, and then we click on edit site. Then just give it a few seconds to load. And a few seconds to build the store. Just ignore this setup guide. It will disappear right now. And here the first thing is we choose the style of our store, but let's wait first for it to completely load, and then we will choose a good style that will fit our store. So here let's choose the first style, which is pretty basic and it seems very simple. Let's choose it. Then we click on hide styles and we check if this style fits our design. So I think it's good for me. Then you click on apply site styles. After that you proceed to the site's design, when you can change again the site styles if you want, and then you can add an image to be your logo, change the colors, fonts, shape. So let's start with fonts. Let's change it from Enter to Comforter. So here scroll down and here we have Comforter. Then if you want to play with these adjustments, you can do that. We have here a lot of adjustments. If you want to play with them, change a little bit, see what fits you and so on. Then you click on done when you're done. After that, let's change the shapes. Let's change the shapes of the buttons from pale to rounded, and the shape of images to rounded also. Then we click on done. After that, if you want to change these other elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free plan to the paid plan. Then you click on done. And if you want to change anything else, you can do that in this part of the adjustment, as you can see. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.